iOS 14 will now let you add a face covering or face mask to your Memoji. Here's how. To do this, jump into Messages and then open up any conversation you like. I've started one with myself, so I don't accidentally send an emoji to the wrong person. From here, you're then going to choose the iMessage app for Memoji, and you should get your recently used Memoji at the top of your screen. I'm going to select the one of me, but rather than going on to edit, I'm actually going to duplicate it first. This means I'll have two Memoji, one with face mask and one without face mask. This duplicated Memoji will go straight into edit mode, and from here I'm going to swipe all the way along to headwear at the end. Now, besides all of the different hats that you can get, if you scroll right to the very bottom of that option, you get the face coverings menu. From here there are two different styles of face coverings, a relatively plain one of a center seam, and one with kind of horizontal banding on it as well. Choose the one that you like that matches perhaps the face covering that you're wearing, and then you can start exploring the color options. Just like normal, you can tap on the colors and you can make them lighter or darker, and you can experiment to see what combination looks best on the mask you want to create. Now, when you're done with your face mask, you're going to press Save in the top corner, and then you'll have two Memoji, one with face mask, one without. Now you've got your Memoji wearing a face covering, you can then use this in your stickers or your animation emoji messages that you send to your friends. I find it really great to have these stickers available because in this day and age where we're all being encouraged to wear a mask as often as possible, this is a really good reminder and it helps to normalise it a little bit as well. I just wish I could get myself a real face covering in this lovely teal colour. Hey, thanks for watching that video. Now, if you enjoyed that and you want to find some more quick tips for your iPad or to use in your classroom, do me a favour and press the subscribe button down below. That will really help me out and it will help you keep up to date with all the latest tips and tricks on my YouTube channel.